Middle East International Sami Kamaz Company offers you a complete automatic line. We offer you a healthy bread production line with a production capacity of 1,500 loaves per hour. Middle East International Company offers you a complete automatic line. The line consists of a primary cutting machine that cuts the dough into equal sizes and then transfers it to the primary cutting fermenter. The primary cutting fermenter consists of 7 layers of food felt cloth. At this stage, the dough pieces are fermented for 9 minutes and then the dough balls go to the sheet stage. The sheet is the most important part of the line, as at this stage the dough balls are thinned according to the requested measurements. After thinning the dough, it goes to the automatic oven for healthy bread. The automatic oven with our excellent design and extensive experience produced this oven in the form of a fire wheel. The dough is cooked inside the oven to produce healthy bread with the required values. The company always offers you the best in the world of bread production lines.